Okay, so lay down your favorite pants on a flat surface like a table, and then try to flatten the fabric. So we first measure the waist. So when the garter is relaxed, it measures at 13 inches. But when that is the times 2, 26, which is the label. Next, we stretch the garter to, and it reaches 15 inches times 2, 30. Okay. Next is the hips. It measures 17 and a half times 2, 35. Next is the thigh. So we flip the fabric, the pants, and try to flatten the whole leg part. Measure 1 inch down from the crotch, and then the thigh measures 11 inches times 2, 22. For the knee, we go down 12 inches and then measure it. It goes to 10 inches times 2, 20. Next is for the opening. Again, now it's 8 inches times 2, 16. As for the crotch, we measure it in two parts. First, the front. So you stretch the fabric, you lay down the fabric until you see the point between the front and the back. Measure it. It is 10 inches. And then we flip the pants at the back. And then measure it until the stitch. You see it's 13. So 10 plus 13, 22, 23 inches.